Coconut oil helps people in a variety of ways, including beard growth and overall beard health. Since coconut oil is a natural ingredient that can condition hair and soften skin, some people opt to use it as a simple and low-cost beard oil alternative. Here are the benefits of coconut oil for your beard. A longer, thicker, and fuller beard. Coconut oil has lauric acid properties, so it has a high affinity to stimulate the new growth of hair. And due to coconut oil's molecular structure, it can be directly absorbed into the hair follicles and the skin rather than just sit on top of the hair like many other oils do. It will then make your beard appear fuller, thicker, and healthier, even after washing. Males also experience hair loss or slow beard growth due to a loss of protein. However, coconut oil's ability to stop protein loss makes it a perfect solution to prevent hair loss and grow out a bigger, fuller beard. Fights inflammation and dandruff. Dandruff is a common issue that many people around the globe face daily, for hair on the scalp or as part of the beard. It's caused by excessive shedding of dead skin cells from your scalp or face due to extreme oiliness or dryness. While there's no permanent cure for dandruff, coconut oil is one of the most effective natural treatments for minimizing the problem. It helps by working with your skin to add extra moisture and reduce serum buildup. So try adding a little coconut oil directly to your beard and surrounding skin and notice the immediate difference. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Adds moisture and shine to hair, making your beard softer. Coconut oil deep conditions individual hair strands from the inside out by sinking into each hair follicle's hollow center. Deep conditioning prevents the loss of internal moisturizers, leaving your beard looking softer, shinier, and fuller. It's best to use coconut oil as an alternative moisturizing agent for your beard instead of chemically enhanced conditioners. Prevents acne beneath your beard. The skin underneath your beard is as equally important as your beard. Did you know that coconut oil mostly contains medium-chain fatty acids, which possess strong antibacterial effects on your skin? In fact, coconut oil eliminates harmful bacteria on the skin that causes acne. Incredible, isn't it? Studies also show that coconut oil has been seen to kill off more acne-causing bacteria than benzoyl peroxide, which is a known acne-fighting treatment agent. With coconut oil, you won't have to worry about it breaking out the rest of your face. Repairs damage. Men may not be able to grow out a thick and healthy beard because of internal damage to the hair follicles. Such damage can happen for all sorts of reasons, and many of which might be out of your control. In most cases, beard damage can occur due to UV damage, wind damage, smoking, pollution, and diet. And since most of these factors are out of your control, you can use coconut oil on your beard as a natural protective barrier. Here's how you can apply coconut oil to your beard. Start with a small amount so you don't overwhelm your skin and beard. You can start by rubbing a teaspoon of coconut oil in your palms. Rubbing will warm the oil enough for it to melt, making it easier to apply. Next, slowly massage the oil directly onto your face by stroking the oil in a downward direction. This will tame stray hairs and help shape your beard. Finish by emphasizing the very bottom of your beard and massaging leftover oil into the ends. Have you tried coconut oil for beard growth? How did it work for you? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get my free ebook linked in the description box below to learn 10 essential steps to strengthen your immune system so you'll feel your best.